What up, y'all? So we are at our hotel room in Las Vegas. We're in Vegas. So this is our room. Come in. Selfies, outfit of the days right here. Oh wow, look at this over here. This is beautiful. Got this over here. We got the TV. We got a little dining area. I love this little bench over here. This is so nice. Got this little couch thing going on. Ooh, beautiful art. Table. Y'all, it smells fresh in here. That's important to me. We got this. Another mirror. Fridge. We got the bedroom in here. Another TV. Oh my gosh, I could do my makeup over here. You see that? That is nice. This is our view. Look at those mountains over there, y'all. That is so beautiful. View of the Ferris wheel. Closet space, and we got another one over there. Wow, this is nice. A little seating area over here. Y'all, check out the bathroom. 2 sinks. Beautiful tub. Shower. This is so fancy. You got the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Nice little shower. Got towels. Another sink. Beautiful mirror. You got this. And then you have the toilet over here. So we'll be here for a couple days. Babe surprised me with a vacation. So I hope y'all enjoy this room tour. Peace.